Hi guys, welcome to Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing question number 6, A, B, C. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you are looking for this, you can contact us anytime. And if you have other queries related to the exam details and related to any other, if IGNOU is not picking your call, so we are here to help you related to any issue. So question number 6, if character f is not equal to show that a polynomial ax square plus bx plus c is irreducible if b square minus 4ac, and where f square is the group of squares in f. Second is by looking in the factorization of x9 minus x gets the number of the irreducible polynomials of degree 2 over f3. Find all the irreducible polynomials of degree 2 over f3. If f is a finite field, show that there is always an irreducible polynomial of the form x cubed minus x plus a, where a is a element of f. Show that x cube minus x is not a surjective map. And if you have other query related to any issue, we are here for help. Thank you so much for watching.